Hello friends, you're welcome back to our training video today on this channel. So this moment I want to teach us a kind of a short practical videos on how to verify your account on Bybit. Someone will be wondering why Bybit. Yes, what I'm going to show you now is like the same thing with every other wallet out there or exchange. But why choosing Bybit? Because if you look at, for so many of us who have been into this tap to earn Web3 tokens, what we're doing on Telegram, most of these tokens are listed on Bybit. And now let me tell you something before I quickly go into the practical session. When it comes to wallets, some of these wallets, even if you don't verify them, there are a few things you can do on them. Someone can send you a coin and you receive it with your wallet address. In certain cases also you can send out, you understand? But when it comes to doing trading, buying and selling, and also converting, because most times you may have a particular token on your wallet, but you want to, you know what? You want to convert it to another one. You can't do that except your account is verified. And that's why we're doing this. Now, you can see what I marked here. I circled this. I just want to tell you this is the right icon for the Bybit wallet or exchange. So it's very important you know this, because sometimes you go on Play Store, they give you a lot of versions there and there. So if you are going to download, make sure you go for this. So I'm going to click on it now. Let's see how to go about it. So it's opening up right now. It's opening up. Most times, once you open up like this, it's going to ask you to, log in. If you are logged out before, you log in. Now, if you look at this, we have favorite tokens. These are not the only tokens you have here. I'm going to show you. The system is asking me to update. I can do that later. It's okay. Now, look at the entire thing. You are seeing it now. Now, if you have not yet verified, you'll be seeing this. Verify now is very important. Now, these are other things you're going to see in this Bybit. You can see on this area, you are seeing all of this. But let me show you something. What you are seeing now, there are 3 parts of this. Listen and look up, please. Very important. Just check this something up here. Exchange, Web3. Now, what's the difference? I have to explain this to you. Please and please and please. Whether you click use exchange or Web3, you are going to have your wallet address. You are going to have your wallet address, and they are just the same thing. But let me now teach you the difference between Web3 and exchange. If you use Web3, you may not need to verify your account. I was discussing this with someone saying, no, it's not true. I say, you don't understand. If you use Web3, your major interest is to just get your wallet address. There are a lot of things you can't do with Web3 version of your wallet. You understand? So that's why you see exchange and Web3. So when you see your Web3, this verification will not be needed because you are having limited functions on it. But when you want to use the full version, where you're going to see all of this you are seeing here, other ways to earn, something copy trading, invite friends to earn, reward hub, so many of them. If you use exchange, you must do it because it's in exchange, you do trading, you do conversion. If you go to Web3 part now, you may not see conversion. That means if you have a token you want to convert, you might waste the entire day looking for that conversion area. You cannot see it. So in that case, some people will say, oh, my own is not working. It's not that it's not working, but because you're not on the exchange version. So, and that is applicable to almost all the exchanges you see out there, like Bitgate. You're going to see that. If you go to Binance, these things are there. You understand? So some of them normally have a different app for the exchange and a different app for the Web3. Like in Bitgate, there's an app for exchange, there's an app for Web3. If you don't understand it, you're going to make mistake. You go and download the one on Web3, think you are there in exchange, and some things you can't see. So, is there a mistake and all that? You need to know all these things. But in Bybit, they make sure the two are the same, so you can switch from here to here. Now, we are on the exchange. If you want to check all the You can see all these things. Look at the tokens. Look at BTC is trying to rise up in $57. Apex is there. Solana is there. So many of them. If you want to still check the market, you click on market derivative spot. If you want to go to asset, if I click on asset now, and this is much more where I have what I have there. You know, as it stands now, I don't even have much. I don't have anything in this particular exchange. So my asset is completely, you know, empty. So at this area of the asset, look at it. You can now make deposits. You can make withdrawal. When you want to, if you click on deposit, that means you want to generate your wallet address for a particular token. That's what it means. So because once you click on it, you generate your wallet address, which you can drop anywhere, send coins to it, and it will appear here. Withdrawal, then transfer. Now, when it comes to, like I told you, on Web3, you can do deposits, you can do withdrawal in certain cases for some of these exchanges, but you can't do transfer, you can't do convert. Are you seeing the convert I'm talking about? This convert is all about converting one token to the other. You cannot do most of these ones if you have not verified account. That's why verification of this account is important, and that's what in this short tutorial I want to look at. So let's go back to home. So what do? You click on verify. Now let's see. Now the system says this thing is unverified. Complete identity verification to access Bybit services. What will you access? Okay. Look at the ones I have access. Okay, say when you verify, you're going to have access to deposits, trading, P2P trading, earning area. That's where you can put your staking and all that. And then daily fiat deposits, 50K USDT, and daily crypto withdrawals is 1 million USDT. So let's click on verify now. Make sure you have, let's see what the system will demand for us in this verification process. Now, the next thing you're going to see is to put your country code here. Mine is Nigeria. Now the system asks you to make a choice of this document type. Is it BVN, ID card, driver's license, passport, international passport, or resident permit? Any of this can go. So if you have this, but they are here saying that they recommend BVN. And for so many Nigerians, it's very easier for them, except those who have some, if you have a criminal case of, you avoid that because you don't want to be entangled or got into problem. But a clean person, because this one doesn't require you uploading documents. All you need to do, put in your BVN number and all that. So I will likely use that one. Now I say requirements. If you are using ID, use your valid government issued identification, whatever, and make sure everything is okay, everything is clean. Now, since they say BVN recommended, I'm going to click on confirm. I will now put my BVN. It's coming up. Okay. At this point, I'm going to put my BVN number. Okay, you see what's saying? Non-resident, non-US resident. That is, you put. If you are in US, you click on US resident. Then continue. Okay. At this point, profile details, verify and complete your personal information. You need to click on this to confirm that. Please click on that first one. Okay, you click on continue. All those areas will now request you to provide them. Okay, this is an example of BVN. Remember, what you are seeing here is just a default. You need to put your own. So I'm going to put my own right now because this is not my BVN. Once you do this, definitely you're going to see some of these other areas will agree. So I'm going to do that right now. And remember, you now need to see what I'm doing right here. Okay, so once you impute that your information on BVN and that, the next thing is taking the selfie. And this is where it's very difficult. If you don't get it right, you're going to run into trouble. Position your face to feed the frame. Just watch. Look straight into the camera. It looks like your network is down. Please check your internet. So when you're doing this, make sure your internet is also strong, because it can be also a problem. Can you see it? I've been able to do it, and the thing worked and wrote level 1 verified. I've been able to do that. Once you get it correctly, you'll be verified. So my identification now is verified. That's level 1. I can still upgrade the verification so that I can increase. Now, if you look at level 2 will make you to have at least, you can be having a 50k USDT, okay, 100k USDT daily deposit, and then dollar withdrawal is up to 2 million. Why level 1 is this and this? Do you understand? So at least if you can be at this level 1, that is kudos for you. You can see how simple it is. Just do it. It won't take you anything. You are sure. It's very good to be on the safe side that you are sure that you are verified. So they can easily do whatever you want to do. Let it not be that by the time a particular token or Web3 sends you coin, and then it demands you doing one thing or the other, and you are like drag, oh, and at that time you start verifying, and it may be too late. And that's why it's very important we'll do this at this time. So follow this video guidedly, and if you don't have the Bybit, please, most of the coins you're seeing there are listed on Bybit. Try to download and install, register account with it, and I'm still going to drop my referral, whatever. Please use it to join Bybit. Once you do that, you're going to receive free USDT. By doing that, please use it and then go sign up, and then follow this video and get it done. If you are new to our channel, try to join us by subscribing to this channel and hitting that notification bell. We are going to bring you more of crypto updates and other ways to make money online legitimately and genuinely. Like this video and don't forget to share it. Thanks for watching. God bless you.